Hi, I'm Lucas, and this week on Tech Tips we're talking about what to do if your water heater is making noise. Oftentimes you can be excused for forgetting about your water heater altogether. Your water heater should work silently in the background reliably for years. But as water heaters age, they can begin to show signs of their age. One of those signs are often popping noises. These noises are oftentimes the heating elements inside the water heater as they age and begin to fail. Unfortunately, this isn't a part that's easily replaced and is often more cost effective to replace your water heater instead. But you're probably wondering why this problem happens. Well, over time, your water heater will build up with mineral and hard water deposits that line the inside of the tank and covers the heating elements. This can create a barrier that the heat must pass through and can create a popping noise as the element tries to heat the water inside. If you're noticing a popping noise from your water heater, you should contact a plumber like the plumbing team here at Superior and see if your water heater needs to be replaced or if there is another issue happening. However, in some cases, products like Flowtech can be effective at removing hard water and mineral deposits over time. But it's unlikely that this would fix the problem, as when water heaters begin to make loud popping noises, they need to be replaced. But it is possible to correct over time with a descaling product like Flowtech. Thank you for watching Tech Tips, and we'll see you next week for a new video.